Here we discuss the founder's position and its benefits, ONPASSIVE as an IT company, its ecosystem, and provide some example components. There are two groups of founders. Those that joined prior to the start of the pre-launch campaigns are referred to as the early bird, or primary founders. These founders represent original leaders that caught Mr. Mufareh's vision early on and worked to grow the community, even since before the company had a name. They were the first to be in it to win it, as the mantra goes. The second group of founders is those resulting from the pre-launch campaigns known as secondary founders. Secondary founders are invited prior to launch. Secondary founders are placed in the primary founders' teams. The campaign for attracting secondary founders will continue until launch. Once ONPASSIVE opens to the public, new founder positions will no longer be available. Founders' benefits. Founders have benefits of the position. The most obvious is their position ahead of all other customers in the company. This means the early bird founders are placed ahead of all other members, including secondary founders. The secondary founders are placed ahead of all the members' customers, those that join after launch. All active founders are members of Go Founders, have access rights to Go Founders, and receive customer sales from ONPASSIVE's pre-launch and/or post-launch marketing campaigns. As leaders, all founders are not only able but are expected to contribute to company direction and growth through beta testing, polls, brainstorming, marketing blogs, back-office links, company-sponsored social media, web pages, etc. As we continue to grow and evolve, varying leadership roles, like the Leadership Council, will be identified for participation. ONPASSIVE is an information technology company. The conceptual development of AI technology and products started long before the launch of Go Founders and has continued ever since. As the vision for ONPASSIVE continued to grow in clarity, its momentum grew. The continual development of its online marketing tools and services coalesced into a first-ever Smart Business Solution (SBS). The SBS came to encapsulate an entire suite of products housed in ONPASSIVE's freshly formed digital ecosystem, which now reaches into every culture on the planet. This means ONPASSIVE is primarily an information technology company. It's made up of the Go Founders community, proprietary technologies which include artificial intelligence (AI), used to form its digital skeletal framework, conventional technologies used in the development of digital tools, services, and support features resident within the system, and its Smart Business Solution (SBS). All of which is a part of ONPASSIVE's massive ecosystem. The ONPASSIVE ecosystem. As a whole, ONPASSIVE represents a first-ever total internet solution (TIS) with an ecosystem of partners, applications, providers, and customers, which includes founders, to provide our members everything they could possibly need to start, maintain, and build their businesses at one price under one roof. The TIS is supported by the four technological pillars of automation, tools, traffic, and residual income. The Smart Business Solution, SBS for short, is a part of the ecosystem. The SBS houses all the products and services ONPASSIVE has developed for use as part of its total internet solution and contains many AI-driven products and services that have been developed from the ground up by teams of developers. These will continue to be developed along with ONPASSIVE's AI technologies. The arsenal of products and services available in the SBS can literally provide every tool imaginable for our subscribing customer to create or automate an online business, and more. If our customer has a business or not, they can subscribe to as many products as needed. This means if a customer has one or more existing businesses, the SBS tools can provide complete automation for them. If a customer has no business, ONPASSIVE can allow reseller status for the customer to create a new business using ONPASSIVE's SBS product suite. In any case, ONPASSIVE serves to create success for everyone and seeks to brand the customer, not ONPASSIVE. In this way, fueled by its own machine learning technology, its Smart Business Solution (SBS) can regroup existing markets under the TIS umbrella by restructuring the process, duplicating it, and automating it through the use of its proprietary technology. Through these, we can guarantee your success through a never-before-seen, different, and unique system without the need for recruiting or selling. And these products are not only available at the lowest fair market price on the globe, they are all under one roof and superior to anything else out there. You really can't imagine the grand scale of these tools either in number or complexity. It is mind-blowing. But you hear some of them in this video. Components of the smart business solution, and the ecosystem in general, work in concert to produce value at a level that is unavailable elsewhere, yet perpetually generated by ONPASSIVE. In short linear fashion, it goes like this. ONPASSIVE's technology drives the development and automation of the tools and services in the smart business system. The tools and traffic provide growth through paid subscriptions that fund operations and create profit for ONPASSIVE. A portion of these profits provides residual income for our customers, our buyers and resellers. Examples of tools, products and services. ONPASSIVE's tools, and their related technologies, make up a large part of the ecosystem mentioned earlier. Some of the tools and services available through ONPASSIVE include advertising, to drive business and attract customers, artificial intelligence (AI), the backbone of ONPASSIVE's automation systems, calendar schedule, integrated event scheduling platform, chat, a communication platform, contact manager, for both email and advertising, crowdfunding, a platform for creating a crowdfund account personal to the customer, daily funnel, a new funnel every day to provide traffic to your site, digital marketing, a platform using AI to digitally advertise, domain name, a name for your site, chosen by you and branded to you, email marketing, campaigns to brand our customers, flexible wallets, digital wallets to accommodate finances, crypto, fiat, bank cards, etc. Give Back Fund, a voluntary fund set up for giving charitable donations. Go Founders, the community of ONPASSIVE leader founders. Guaranteed targeted visitors, website visitors targeted by interest or market. IP Tracker, a tool that provides a host name, location, and other info about an IP address. Liquid Hosting, liquid responsive designs, website layout and hosting design that automatically adjusts to screen resolution and provides scalability. Live Events, communication events, like webinars or video hosting, hosted in real time. Marketplace, a single place to access and purchase IT commodities and services. Mass bulk mailing, ability to send email to large groups in a single mailing. Mass marketing campaigns, campaigns that appeal to an entire market. Merchants and cards, bank accounts with cards that accept payments through them. Millionaires Club, the club with only ONPASSIVE millionaires as its members. Multi-businesses, the ability to host multiple businesses under a single umbrella. Office Abroad, 1,000 total global leaders as based on attaining certain criteria. ONPASSIVE Webinar, ONPASSIVE's proprietary webinar platform. Payment transfers, the ability to transfer ONPASSIVE funding internally and externally. Print Shop, tools for creating marketing materials. Private Inbox, an inbox that is personal to the customer's branding. Residual income for life, income generated perpetually as long as an account is active. Screen captures, an ability to capture screen images in real time. SEO, search engine optimization is done for your websites for better organic traffic. SMS and MMs, plain text and text with media texting capability. Support for all. Tech support is available to all buyers and resellers. Trim URL, ONPASSIVE's proprietary URL shortening tool. Triple entry bonus, another bonus that is built into the compensation plan. Video chat, face-to-face internet conversation via webcams and dedicated software. Video conference, participants in different areas able to communicate in sound and vision. Video mail, an email message with a video clip attached. Video marketing, a marketing strategy that integrates video into marketing campaigns. Viral sharing, a marketing strategy that is spread person to person via social media. VPN, tool to extend a private network across a public network and maintain security. Website builder, tools that allow website building without manual code editing.